Have you ever pondered the trajectory of artificial intelligence, or AI, and its looming impact on our world in the next decade? Picture a future where AI not only permeates every facet of our existence, but also fundamentally alters how we live, work, and interact. Join us on a journey as we delve into 10 predictions that shed light on the formidable potential of AI and its imminent role in reshaping our society. From healthcare to education, economics to space exploration, let's unravel the profound implications of AI's evolution. Welcome to the future. Number 1. Advanced healthcare solutions. In the next decade, AI will revolutionize healthcare, ushering in a new era of advanced solutions. By analyzing extensive patient data, AI algorithms will detect diseases in their earliest stages, enabling timely intervention and potentially saving countless lives. Personalized treatment plans, tailored to individual characteristics and medical history, will optimize patient outcomes while minimizing adverse effects. Additionally, AI's integration into surgical assistance will redefine procedures, enhancing precision and patient care. With AI at the forefront, healthcare will evolve from reactive to proactive, focusing on prevention and personalized care. Get ready for a future where AI transforms healthcare delivery, making it more efficient, effective, and accessible for all. Number 2. Economic growth and job creation standards. Over the next decade, AI will catalyze economic growth and foster job creation on a global scale. By enabling remote work through AI-powered communication tools, geographical barriers will dissolve, creating a more flexible and inclusive workforce. Automation of mundane tasks will streamline operations across industries, boosting productivity and competitiveness. The demand for skilled professionals in AI-related fields will skyrocket, offering abundant opportunities for employment and entrepreneurship. Embracing AI's transformative potential will not only drive innovation, but also pave the way for sustainable economic development. Get ready to witness a paradigm shift as AI shapes the future of work and drives prosperity worldwide. Number 3. Space exploration advancements. In the coming decade, AI will propel space exploration to unprecedented heights. AI-powered robots will navigate distant worlds with unparalleled precision and resilience, conducting scientific experiments and collecting data in environments too hazardous for human astronauts. Equipped with advanced perception capabilities, these robotic explorers will analyze vast amounts of data in real time, unlocking new insights into the cosmos. By harnessing the power of AI, humanity will expand its understanding of the universe, paving the way for groundbreaking discoveries and inspiring future generations to reach for the stars. Get ready for a cosmic revolution powered by AI. Number 4. Enhanced security and safety measures. In the next decade, AI will play a pivotal role in bolstering security and safety measures across the globe. AI-powered surveillance systems will analyze vast amounts of data in real time, detecting patterns and anomalies indicative of potential threats. Additionally, AI-driven cybersecurity solutions will fortify digital infrastructures against evolving cyber threats, adapting and evolving to counter emerging risks. Through predictive analytics and proactive defense mechanisms, AI will empower organizations and governments to safeguard communities, infrastructure, and digital assets more effectively than ever before. Get ready for a safer and more secure future with AI as our vigilant guardian. Number 5. Sustainable energy and food production. Over the next decade, AI will revolutionize sustainable energy and food production, addressing pressing global challenges such as climate change and food security. AI-driven precision agriculture and smart farming techniques will optimize resource usage, maximizing yields while minimizing environmental impact. By analyzing data on soil conditions, weather patterns, and crop health, AI algorithms will provide personalized recommendations to farmers, enhancing efficiency and sustainability. Moreover, AI-powered drones and robotic systems will revolutionize crop monitoring and management, enabling real-time assessment of crop health and precise application of resources. Number 6. Personalized education experiences. In the next decade, AI will transform education by delivering personalized learning experiences tailored to individual needs and abilities. Adaptive learning systems powered by AI algorithms will analyze vast amounts of data to understand students' strengths, weaknesses, and learning preferences. This wealth of information will enable AI-enabled educational platforms to deliver customized learning pathways and content recommendations, ensuring that each student receives instruction at their own pace and level of understanding. With AI, traditional one-size-fits-all educational approaches will give way to dynamic and engaging learning experiences, fostering student success and lifelong learning. Get ready for a revolution in education powered by AI. Number 7. Social welfare and ethical considerations. In the coming decade, AI's integration into society will raise crucial questions about social welfare and ethical considerations. AI systems will prioritize fair access to resources and opportunities, addressing societal challenges such as poverty, healthcare disparities, and environmental sustainability. By enhancing access to essential services through remote healthcare consultations and personalized learning experiences, AI will bridge gaps in access, ensuring inclusivity for underserved populations. Governments and organizations will harness AI to promote equity and social welfare, striving to create a more just and equitable world for all. Prepare for a future where AI serves as a catalyst for positive social change. Number 8. Advanced personal assistants. In the next decade, AI-powered personal assistants will revolutionize daily life, seamlessly integrating with smart devices to enhance productivity and convenience. These digital companions will leverage AI algorithms to anticipate user needs and preferences, providing proactive assistance tailored to individual routines and preferences. By analyzing past behaviors and schedules, AI will predict upcoming tasks, appointments, and deadlines, ensuring users stay organized and on track. From managing schedules to handling routine tasks with precision, AI-powered personal assistants will become indispensable allies in navigating the complexities of modern life. Get ready for a new era of personalized assistance with AI. Number 9. Integration into daily lives. Over the next decade, artificial intelligence will seamlessly integrate into our daily routines, transforming how we live and interact with technology. AI-powered technologies will become ubiquitous, assisting with various tasks from household chores to personal organization. From smart home devices managing household tasks to wearable devices tracking health metrics, AI will enhance efficiency and convenience in every aspect of our lives. This integration will not only streamline daily responsibilities, but also provide more time for leisure and personal pursuits, enriching our overall quality of life. Embrace the future where AI enhances every facet of daily life. Number 10. Towards artificial general intelligence, AGI. In the next decade, the pursuit of artificial general intelligence, AGI, will mark a monumental milestone in the field of artificial intelligence. AGI aims to imbue machines with cognitive abilities comparable to humans, enabling them to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across diverse tasks and domains. This leap in AI development promises unprecedented possibilities, from healthcare and education to finance and entertainment. AGI represents a paradigm shift, empowering machines to adapt to new situations, solve complex problems, and even exhibit creativity and intuition. As researchers edge closer to AGI, we stand on the brink of a transformative era where machines and humans collaborate to unlock the full potential of artificial intelligence. In the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, the future holds boundless opportunities and challenges. From healthcare breakthroughs to space exploration, AI's impact will shape the course of humanity in profound ways. As we navigate this technological frontier, let us embrace the possibilities of AI while remaining vigilant to its ethical implications. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the future of AI. If you found this exploration insightful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, stay curious and keep dreaming big. Goodbye.